That was an insane finish, Prem.
I swear to Lord.
Oh my God, look at that. I mean, what a shot
Some
by
heavy
Salman.
shots by Punjabin.
A lot of
He's
things are
going for
blocked.
it. He is going for it, guys.
Is there coming out from
This
this?
could end early.
And the ref stops the fight.
Punjabin.
There was no coming out of this. Choke he turned. As you can see, the left leg completely bypasses the shoulder. That means it's incredibly tight. Like he knew he was...
I think for me visiting Dirang for third time, it came out to be a surprise that they are organizing such kind of events, and I think the coordination, the administration, they have been really supportive for the event. I really like the event. Thank you.
सबसे पहले तो ऑर्गेनाइजर लोगों को हेड्स ऑफ है जो कि इतना अच्छा एक इवेंट करा है यहाँ पे सो थैंक यू
Wow, first time witnessing like live में, so it is very nice. I'm enjoying it totally.
आज का आपको फाइट कैसा
They were
लगा?
really good. I would say that they really fought really well, and I wish them a good luck. And maybe they go to the national level, and maybe they represent our country at the international level.
बहुत अच्छा लगा मैच यंग है बहुत मज़ा लगा बहुत अच्छा हो गया ये तो बहुत अच्छा मार दिया बहुत थैंक यू भाई
बहुत अच्छा लगा हम लोग काफ़ी छोटा से हम लोग टीवी में देखता था आज एकदम लाइव देख के मतलब इतना अच्छा लगा काफ़ी खुश नसीब समझता हूँ
आज का ये जो दिरांग का लड़का था उसका मैच देख के कैसा लगा, ये क्या बोला?
बहुत अच्छा लगा और उसको मैं यही बोलना चाहिए कि सभी दिरंग वालों को उसने इतना प्राउड फील करा दिया और आगे जाके मतलब वो और भी अच्छा खेलो हम लोग का यही दुआ करेगा
इट वाज वेरी फैंटास्टिक मैच तो आज का बहुत अच्छा था हम लोग तो अपना यहाँ का अपना भाई को सपोर्ट करने आया अपना दोस्त को सपोर्ट करने आया था लोकल को सो उसका फाइट देख के काफ़ी अच्छा लगा
आज का फाइट में सबसे बेस्ट फाइट कौन सा लगा आपको?
The last one, I don't remember his name, but I think he's from here.
Yeah.
यही से है ना? तो it was very nice. And then सब cheer कर रहा था तो like हम लोग का support भी उसी पे गया तो it was very nice.
तो आपको आज का फाइट कैसा लगा?
आज का फाइट ओवरऑल वाज वेरी गुड अभी तक तो फिलहाल 2-3 मैच ही हुआ है बट नामडोल लुपा लाइक हु बिलोंग्स फ्रॉम आवर प्लेस वेस्ट कमिंग सो द मेन पार्ट वाज नामडोल का पार्ट so overall it was very good and thanks Aturto for bringing it to Dirang for boosting our youth thank you so much
ओके तो पहली अतुर्तो 3.0 दिरांग में हुआ है तो कैसा था आपका एक्सपीरियंस?
ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है मतलब टूर्टो अटेंड करने वाला तो हमको तो एक्चुअली पता नहीं था टूर्टो ऐसा कुछ होता है बोल के हमको बस MMA पता था तो ये बार मतलब हम एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहता था मतलब कैसा होता है मतलब टूर्टो मतलब क्या क्या होता है उसमें ऐसा वाला तो ये बार हमको इनवाइट किया है तो हम तो एक्चुअली नहीं बुलाने से पे माना ही था क्योंकि हमको एक जैसे भी एक्सपीरियंस करना था तो यहाँ पे आके देखे तो हम सोचे तो ऐसे नकली मुगली से छोटा मोटा से होता हो बोल के देखे तो डायरेक्ट मतलब बाहर वाला वाइब दे रहे मतलब
तो इतना अभी तक आपने फाइट देखा तो सबसे बेस्ट फाइट आपको कौन सा लगा?
हम इतना थोड़ा लेट आए हम तो लेकिन वो 16 इयर्स का एक बच्चा था हाँ उसका बहुत बढ़िया लगा पारा से मतलब इतना प्रोफेशनल से मतलब ऑर्गेनाइज किया है तो उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा लगा और ये देखो मज़ा क्या सुपर बाइक सब भी यहाँ पे कौन ऐसा करता है वो भी अरुणाचल में वो दिरांग में यहाँ पे और हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हर साल करता है तो ये चीज़ अच्छा लगा हमको बहुत
I feel so good when I first time I come in Arunachal Pradesh in Dirang so I love it this place you know so I love it my message I'll be the next time I'll come again and will be the great fight and I'll smash and I'll bang to everyone guys.
Actually I'm feeling blessed with God's grace and His strength and protection so all to His strength you know without Him I'm nothing because of Him I got to achieve this victory you know so that's all.
This is your first time in Arunachal?
Yeah it's my first debut in Aturto.
अतुर्तो के बारे में कुछ आपको
actually Aturto is the biggest promotion in Northeast for MMA fans and all so I look forward for more opportunities and hope so this platform will reach to the top so all the Northeast players whoever is interested in MMA or any sports will get to they will get to show themselves they will get to prove that they can be best even the Northeast fighter they can be to the top. Thank you for all the Arunachal people who come to support us to all the MMA fans who actually came to support each and every fighters you know.
And he's doing all the right things. He's doing all the right things here.
Shooting wise, Sonam is being persistent
This
with the
is
guillotine.
very
Now it's
tight.
tight.
Though.
Now he's got
That's
it.
in a very tight spot.
Oh, now
Lord.
it's locked in.
It's locked in now.
I think so.
I think he's tapped.
It's a tap.
out.
It's a tap.
Beautiful.
In less than a minute, the
In less
first
than a minute.
round is
Yep.
over.
Oh, that was an incredible finish. But you know what, guys? I must say, Andy basically put himself in that situation. He got clocked, shot in for a takedown. Now Nanu's got to go
Nanu's
for it.
looking
There
for
you
the big
go.
shots.
Yeah, of course, he's
Nanu-
got to go for it. He's only got 17 seconds left. He's got to throw everything into this.
He has to pull off.
Oh Lord.
Beautiful.
Right
Lord,
away.
right
He's
away.
shot.
That's a nasty knockout.
Just like that.
Bang!
And launches the fight.
Oh.
Pankaj with.
Oh, Lord. Pankaj has got Goodwin up against the cage. So what Goodwin needs to do here...
But if we talk about the skills, that's a different story.
Yeah, it's a different story.
Oh, that right
nice
connect.
right
he
hand.
hurt him.
Jab connects.
Another jab.
Oh! Takedown for takedown.
Namdol now. Again lands in a very similar position to the previous round.
Gregory seemed, I mean, he definitely seemed hurt out there.
I mean, look, it's fatigue as well, right?
Yeah,
It's
that's a
absolute
combination
fatigue.
of
Yeah,
both.
it's 2 rounds down. Shucks him off. Oh, and he takes another right. Both these guys banging in the phone booth. He's going for it. Incredible knockout.
A flying knockout! Flying knockout!
Expected that. Who would have thought about that? Who would have thought about that? Who would have thought about that?
Oh, and he waves the no. Beautiful.
Relentless.
Oh, now he's got a triangle choke. He's looking to set it up. He's almost there.
George has to be really careful here.
Yeah, he's got to be really careful here because Nilesh has got long legs and he's got it locked in. Oh, this is
that's
nasty work by Nilesh.
That's tight.
That's
That's tight.
very, very tight from here. He just needs to keep.
that's a tap.
That's a tap. Beautiful.
Absolute domination by beautiful step in knee. Another step in elbow. Oof. Oh, this is wild, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God,
These boys are just going for it, man.
nice spinning elbow. You were right, Prem. There is no running away. There's no like escaping rope or dope. Nothing. Like the cage prevents all of that. So you just either you have to have good footwork or you take some shots.
Beautiful knee. That is
nasty knee. I mean, ready to go.
Yeah, locked in.
Here we go.
Absolutely.
Oh, Nilesh goes right in, tries to take him down, shoots for a takedown,
Beautiful technique.
gets it, lands in half guard right in front of us here at the commentary booth. But Nietzo doing the right thing, has got his foot on his hips. But here, Nishant grabbing the cage. He's looking to land some ground and pound, looking to pass his guard. The Nietzo's got a relatively good guard. He trains, the guys at the TCA have actually a good ground game. They've got a great coach. Trying to pass guard, he's pushing down the right knee to end up in half guard, in which he does. And now it's a little more difficult to sort of try and get out of half guard, get back to guard. Right, so here's a position where holding a fighter down it's much easier than in mount or inside control. So a lot of guys prefer this position really. Nice reversal by Nishant. He tries, but Nietzo a little too wily for him.
Nietzo is being really top heavy right now.
Yep. And what happens is it's tiring the bottom guy out as well, right? You're basically carrying a much heavier dude or a heavier guy, your opponent's weight. But what I want to see Nietzo do is now land some elbows, some really short elbows.
Right. But even if he doesn't, I think Nishant is going to think twice before going for a takedown in the next round or maybe as soon as they get up.
I agree.
The position where Nishant is, it's difficult for him to push his hip out.
Yeah, it's very difficult because he's got his head jammed up against the cage right in front of us here in the commentary booth. He's trying to get up, but Nietzo's smart enough to know exactly what to do in this position and clamps it down. stops that right in its tracks. Again looking to pass guard, looking to jam the right leg in between his legs, keep him there.
A little over a minute to go from the first round.
Oh, it's been a crazy first round. You can hear his coach screaming for some elbows from Nietzo. Nishant still very active from the bottom, shows no signs of giving up, absolutely resilient. But Nietzo just relentless on top. Nietzo would do well to drop some elbows right here. So again, what Nishant really needs to do is exactly what Nietzo did to him. Put his feet on his hips and push him away. Because that's the only way you're going to get, this is what I don't like seeing. As soon as you do this, means you've accepted the bottom position.
Right. Nietzo did not give him any space.
Oh no, he didn't give him any space at all. Chest to chest tight. Now, from here, he can like let go a little bit, right? Like start posturing up and laying down some serious ground and pound. He's got 18 seconds to go to really seal this round. He can really lay down some damage. But Nietzo being much smarter. Nishant with these shots on the bottom, which I don't think are going to do anything.
Right, but then I think it's definitely...
It might annoy the person on top, but it's not going to cause any damage. Excellent work by Nishant to throw nasty up kicks. From here, what Nietzo needs to do is he needs to grab his legs, which is what he's doing, and control him right there. Exactly what he needs to do. Yeah. And lands up again in top position. Oh. Beautiful shot. Nice punches by Nietzo. It would do Nietzo really, really well to drop some serious elbows. Basically, he'd use the palm of his hand to press against his face and drop some serious elbows.
And Nishant, I think, on the other hand, cannot get complacent in this position. He's already down one round.
One round, yeah, and it's very difficult to come back from a lead, like, from a lead that the opponent has built up. But he's doing the smart thing, trying to cage walk. But again, see, like, soon as you cross your legs means you've accepted the position and are now fighting from there, right? You've given up that position. And Nietzo just being heavy on top, like. The referee pulling Nishant's toes out of the cage.
Last warning, don't grab the cage with your toes.
The referee has given Nishant a last warning to not grab the fence using his toes. And you know what Nishant can do here as well? He can actually use his elbows to sort of try and slice Nietzo open. So the referee has called a stop to the fight. I think he might take a point from Nishant actually for repeatedly ignoring. Gets on top and grinds out the round in dominant position.
Oh, checkmate! Hangami!
Hard fought victory by Nietzo. Very, very hard fought victory. All props to his opponent as well. Man, but
performance again.
both guys sizing in. Nice leg kick by Jarbin. Hard leg kick by Jarbin. Beautiful jab. Such a technical and tactical fighter, man.
Karan looking really light on his feet.
Karan looks prepared as well. But Jarbin is an animal, dude. He's a real animal. Beautiful stance switching. Nice high kick by Karan. Blocked by Jarbin. Jarbin moving in closer and closer, trying to close that distance.
Fighters going through the feeling up process right now.
Oh, beautiful tip. Beautiful tip. Nasty. Oh, nice shot by Karan.
That landed.
Oh, that did land, yeah.
That one got blocked off. Beautiful single leg takedown by Jarbin.
But Karan's got a nice guillotine choke on him. But Jarbin slips out. Yeah, slips out easy.
As we all know, Jarbin is no slouch when it comes to the grappling game.
Oh, absolutely not. He's very good on the ground.
Jarbin definitely is the bigger guy.
Oh yeah, he's definitely the bigger guy here.
So going to the ground for Karan would not be advisable decision, I guess.
No, you're right. It's definitely not advisable for Karan. And what Karan Jarbin can do here is drop some serious elbows.
Yeah.
Right? He's just taking his time, picking his shots, making sure that everything is right before he starts landing his punches. Referee calling for the fighters to work. Karan still looking to get up. He's trying to get his foot into Jarbin's hips, but Jarbin, hard right hand by Jarbin. Moves straight to side control. Karan Chauhan tried to go for a buggy choke, but Jarbin was having none of it. Shot
Some
by
heavy
Jarbin.
shots by Jarbin.
A lot of
He's going for it. He is going for it, guys.
Is there coming out from
This could end early. Karan Jarbin.
There was no coming out of this. There was no coming out of this.
Incredible stuff.
Wow.
Just vicious
Ground and pound finish by Karan Jarbin.
incredible stuff by Karan Jarbin.
He's leaking bad. Karan is leaking bad.
Yeah, that was nasty.
That's a nasty gash on Karan's forehead.
Nasty gash on Karan's forehead.
I told you this guy.
Oh Lord, that was nasty by Jarbin. I don't know what landed. You see the replay. Heavy shots. One of those really got through.
Full commitment in each and every punches.
One of those got through.
I think it was one of the right hand that got through. Yeah, it's already bloodied up by this point.
As soon as he turned, it was over.
Yeah.
He had enough.
Well, everybody, now, ladies and gentlemen, let's make this one official. Ladies and gentlemen, again, in 2 minutes, 5 seconds, winner by TKO. Ladies and gentlemen, you knew it, hometown hero, Karan Jarbin.
First of all, congratulations. So, what are your goals for the next fight for the championship belt?
नेक्स्ट सेमीफाइनल्स है तो नेक्स्ट भी विन करेंगे, अच्छा परफॉर्म करेंगे, उसमें फिनिश करने का ट्राई करूँगा फर्स्ट राउंड में. बाकी नेत्सो अच्छा अपोनेंट है, टफ रहेगा, बट आई डोंट वांट इजी फाइट, आई वांट टफ फाइट, सो मज़ा आएगा.
ओके, आपने आज नेत्सो का फाइट देखा, तो आपका फाइट में कुछ आप चेंजेस लाना चाहेगा नेक्स्ट मैच में सेमीफाइनल्स?
नहीं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. मैं वो स्ट्राइकिंग रखेगा, स्ट्राइकिंग रखूँगा, ग्राउंड करेगा, ग्राउंड जो शुरू करेगा वहीं पे ख़त्म होएगा.
ओके, तो आपका ये अतुर्तो में आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? आप यहाँ के जो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को आप कुछ कहना चाहो?
बहुत अच्छा, मज़ा आ गया सच में. खासकर मुझे यहाँ के लोग इतने प्यारे लगे, एकदम हम्बल, कोई ईगो नहीं, कोई ऐसा नहीं, सब लोग बहुत अच्छे. मैं मार्केट में गया, वहाँ पे लोग बहुत प्यारे लोग, सब बहुत मज़ा आया.
Thank you so much. Like I said in the interview, I truly believe that Nitesh, my opponent, was the strongest. No disrespect to other fighters, but he was the most experienced and the most strongest of all the opponents in my other slots. So I truly believe that I took off the biggest threat in the slot. So as for my next opponent is Nilesh. He is also a very young and crafty young guy. So yeah, I'm looking forward towards facing him. It was either him or George. So didn't matter. Whoever was gonna win, I was gonna face him. So it is Nilesh at the end of the day. So I'm ready for him in August.
Okay, so what changes do you want to make to your training based on this fight?
Nothing changes because I truly believe that I have one of the best well-rounded game in the sports. I also said in the interview that I am really comfortable no matter where the fight takes place. Most people think that I'm just a striker, but I display this tonight that I'm not just a striker. I just out-grapple a strong grappler. So you can know that I have a pretty well-rounded game. So same goes for Nilesh. Let's see who has the better game on August. Like this is my first time fighting in Aturto, but my other teammates have fought here before. So I've already got the idea of how Aturto is. You know, I truly believe that Arunachal people and Naga people, they are so much similar. They have so much love for the fight game. And I truly witnessed it today firsthand. The crowd were amazing. They were cheering for me, even though it was my first time and I didn't know them personally, but almost all of them were cheering for me. So I really appreciate all their support. And I want to give thanks to Arturo Sergio for giving us young athletes such big platform, you know, and hosting first ever Grand Prix in Northeast. It's a history, and I'm just grateful to be a part of that history. Thank you.
Thank you. Namda, first of all, congratulations. आप अपना होम ग्राउंड में आके खेल के आप जीता है. आपका ये आज का फाइट का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
थैंक यू. फाइट का एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा था. मेरा ओपोनेंट बहुत टफ था, ताकत था, वही है. प्लीज़ नेक्स्ट बार वापस आइए, हमको सपोर्ट कीजिए.
Congratulations for entering semi-finals. Tell us, how are you feeling now, emotionally and physically after this fight?
Semi-final changmase moina congress toinebko adu nang kai khan ge haiba semi-final changmase abdi nang na haidu se akoi gi nang di amateur smile chaw lakuni khopani adu smaina pro lakuse ai train to ozana to do anu hayo
yamna nungai auto ki tournament sida saruk yaw phangse ai gi yam nungai jabo e adu duka ai gi first kano pro fight ne ai gi ozana su training phajana bibi e adagi ngasi bo yona si yona bo na bada ngasi gi fighting amna bo na yona bo na bada ai gi ozana yamna ju abi
First of all, he thanks Arturo for giving an opportunity to Pekwana. But he says that he was expecting, as he is an amateur fighter, he was expecting he's going to fight an amateur fight. But after being here, as he know that he's going to fight pro, so he says, my master, that is my coach, taught me everything, what is amateur and what is pro. No? So after he came to know, after being here now, he's going to take part in pro fight now. So he respectfully thanking coach now. Whatever you taught in gym now, I put everything, whatever he got now, to win this fight now.
This is the last question. Share your experience fighting in Arturo, and any message you want to put for the team Arturo?
Nang na sidaida habide team Arturo se sidaida message ama piningba khopa leibra haiba adu nang chamjam na dum haibda smaina khoida tanja pi se si ko che na dum hayo
Arturo na akoida tanja bibise yamna nungai yamna ju harawe matung tabadasu dum saruk yaba ngamboi jage.
He says that Arturo has given me a platform to a pro level now. He's so happy. As being a amateur fighter now, he doesn't expect that he's going to fight a pro now, but Arturo give him a platform to fight in pro level now. So he's very happy, and he's willing to take part in any level of this fight in Arturo.
Congratulations, Jarman. First of all, आप जो अपना जर्नी Arturo का और एज एमेचर में आप अपना जर्नी पूरा स्टार्ट किए MMA का, एंड नाउ आप अपना सेमीफाइनल्स में आप एंटर कर रहे हैं फॉर चैंपियनशिप बेल्ट. हाउ आर यू फीलिंग टुडे?
ये सब हम प्लान करके रखा था कि दो साल ट्रेनिंग के बाद एमेचर करेगा, 2 साल का प्रो डेब्यू करेगा, और हम अप्रैल पे प्रो एमेचर डेब्यू किया था Arturo पे, और हम एग्जैक्टली 2 साल के बाद अप्रैल को ही 3rd वीक ऑफ अप्रैल को Arturo में प्रो डेब्यू किया है, वो भी दिरांग में.
ओके, टॉकिंग अबाउट गेम प्लान, आपने जैसा सोचा था गेम प्लान को पहले ऐसा आपने किया कि क्योंकि फर्स्ट राउंड में तो डायरेक्ट इतना जल्दी आपका नॉकआउट हो गया था, तो डिड यू एक्चुअली एग्जीक्यूटेड द वे यू प्लान?
जैसे हम स्मॉल टॉक विद कोको में बोला था कि हमको डिसीजन फाइटर बनने मन है, 3 राउंड पूरा लंबा जाने मन है, हमको मज़ा लेने मन है अंदर का, लेकिन कुछ होके ख़त्म ही हो जाते, क्या करेगा.
ओके, तो अभी आप सेमीफाइनल में पहुंच चुका है, आपने अपना ओपोनेंट का फाइट देखा है, तो आपका फाइट में आप चेंजेस लाना चाहेगा फॉर सेमीफाइनल?
हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स लाना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा स्टडी करना पड़ेगा, हम स्टडी नहीं किया, उसको करना पड़ेगा. Arturo और मेरा करियर एकदम स्टार्स अलाइन होके आया हुआ है, सब चीज़ सही जा रहा है ना. मेरा मेहनत और उनका Arturo का सपोर्ट सब मिलके एकदम चमक रहा है. चमक रहा है.
आप लखन को फेस करने जा रहे हैं सेमीफाइनल बाउट में, तो जिस तरह से लखन ने भी फाइट किया वो भी नॉकआउट किया है, आपने भी दिया है, तो हाउ यू लुकिंग अप टू द फाइट जो कि सेमीफाइनल होने जा रहा है?
लखन का थोड़ा गेम प्लान थोड़ा फाइट स्टडी करना पड़ेगा, हम तो नहीं किया अभी तक, करने के बाद हम आपको बता सकते हैं कैसा है कैसा नहीं है, लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स लाइन एंड मैप नॉक हिम डाउन।
तो आज अतुर्तो का 7th एडिशन खत्म हो गया है, तो आपका भी सेमीफाइनल्स होने जा रहा है, इसके बारे में थोड़ा बता दें।
तो आज हम लोग का क्वार्टर फाइनल ख़त्म हुआ है। आज हम लोग का क्वार्टर फाइनल 8 फाइटर लड़ा था, 4 फाइटर जीता है। अभी ये चारों फाइटर फिर से सेमीफाइनल में लड़ेगा एक दूसरा को, और हम लोग अतुर्तो 3.2 में, उसका लोकेशन है पासीघाट, वही है। उसके बाद जो वहाँ से 2 जीतेगा वो जाके खेलेगा दिसंबर में, और उसको हम लोग एक चैम्पियनशिप बेल्ट देगा, और उसको हम लोग 5 लाख रुपीज़ कैश प्राइज़ देगा।
लड़की का बाउट कब आ रहा है? सबका क्वेश्चन वही है।
लड़की का बाउट हम लोग तो चाहता है कि हो। हम लोग का लास्ट पासीघाट इवेंट में 2 लड़की का फाइट हुआ था, हम लोग तो चाहता है कि एक कार्ड में और भी हो, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली अरुणाचल में नॉर्थ ईस्ट में लड़की फाइटर का थोड़ा कमी है और हमेशा अवेलेबल नहीं होता है, लेकिन हम लोग ज़रूर ट्राई करेगा नेक्स्ट इवेंट में लड़की का फाइट वापस लाने के लिए।
और अभी आर वी एक्सपेक्टिंग फाइटर्स फ्रॉम फॉरेन एज वेल, बाहर कंट्री से भी एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट
ऑफ कोर्स हम लोग जब भी हम लोग को ऐसा लगेगा कि कोई फाइटर हम लोग का इंडिया का उसका लेवल का कोई नहीं हो रहा है, या उसका कोई फाइट को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा है, तो हम लोग बाहर ही ढूंढता है। और हम लोग भी चाहते हैं कि अतुर्तो में फॉरेन फाइटर्स आओ, ताकि हम लोग का अरुणाचली लोकल फाइटर्स, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न फाइटर्स लोग एक, या इंडियन फाइटर्स लोग बाहर का टैलेंट का साथ कम्पीट करो और ग्रो करो। हम लोग का सपना तो वही है।
आज हम लोग ने एक 16 ईयर ओल्ड बच्चा को फाइट करते हुए देखा है। थैंक्स टू यू गाइस। तो आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे
यूथ को? तो हम क्या मैसेज है, हम कोई नहीं है मैसेज देने वाला। हम लोग जो किया है, हम लोग जो भी कर रहे हैं, हम लोग कुछ मोटिव के साथ नहीं किया। हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हम लोग इसको प्यार करते हैं। हम लोग चाहते हैं कि ये चीज़ जो हम लोग दिल से हम लोग प्यार करते हैं, ये चीज़ कोई और भी देख के प्यार हो जाओ। ये चीज़ को देख के मतलब हम लोग को ज्वाइन करो, और ये हम लोग साथ मिल के ये सबको एक मतलब क्या बोले, सपना हम लोग का बहुत बड़ा है, और हम लोग का साथ आप लोग आइए ये सपना को पूरा करने के लिए।